Hello dear students, I am Dr. Ankit Goel, a psychiatrist by choice, a teacher by passion and a YouTuber by chance. In the coming months, there are important exams like the INI FMGE screening test, and then there is NEET. So most of you must be in your revision mode. In this video, I am going to talk about the important 5 obstacles or the so-called devils which one face while revision and how to overcome each of these obstacles. So let's get rolling. Number 1 obstacle is procrastination. How many times does this happen that we say, I will do this thing later. Let me finish one more episode of my favorite series and then I will study. Although at the back of the mind, I know that exams are approaching and I should study. This is procrastination. When you struggle doing things which you want to do or you know you should do, but you give yourself excuses and start the thing at the very last moment when it is already too late. So, one of the most important steps to overcome procrastination is organizing yourself. What do we mean by this? Divide your study time in small sessions, which may vary somewhat between 45 minutes to 90 minutes. Keep a separate space for study. One space dedicated to one work helps you focus better and keeps you in the zone. So even if you have a single room, dedicate a specific part of that room for your study. So you're in that space only while you are studying, and otherwise you are in the other areas of the room. Keep yourself away from distraction during these sessions. Switch off your mobile phone, turn off notifications, log out from social media. So identify what all things are distracting you and avoid them during these study sessions, because minimum the fiction, maximum will be the output. Set time limits for each topic and start with the new topic as soon as you reach the time limit. With practice, you will be able to better yourself in setting time limits and also reaching your goals on time. So these are some ways wherein you can overcome procrastination. Let me talk about the second devil. Many times it happens that when you wish to study, you wait for the right moment or the right material, like your pink marker or your yellow marker, or the right space to start, and ultimately you never start or you stop on the way. And sometimes while revising, you try to read a topic so perfectly that you cross the time limit by hours, neglecting the other important topics for the day. This is the devil of perfectionism. If you are looking for that perfect time or that perfect mood or the perfect revision to get things done, believe me, spoiler alert, that perfect time will never come. So just start doing the task and keep moving forward. Hit the deadlines even if they are not perfect, and you will realize that perfectionism or something close to that will come on the way. Don't make it a goal. The third obstacle is not practicing. This may come across as a camouflage. Now, what do I mean? Now, I know you guys would be strengthening your revision by focusing on your notes, which is good. But imagine someone like a Virat Kohli, the cricketer. If he has to perform well in a cricket match, just sitting and theoretically oiling his technique will help him, or practicing, applying this knowledge in nets or in practice matches would help? I think you know the answer. So remember, you have a MCQ based exam. So practicing MCQs is important. That is why I say this third devil comes as a camouflage. So you may be practicing, you may be strengthening your notes, but if you're not practicing MCQs, then you're missing out on something important. By doing MCQs, your mind will become habitual of applying the theoretical knowledge to the MCQs and will also strengthen your concept in the process. Also, you will learn the art of identifying keywords in the clinical or the long questions. And also, you will learn the art of not missing on the tricky words in the paper. For example, words like all of the following are true except. So you may miss this except at times and you may mark the answer wrong. And ultimately, this will improve your time management and will also decrease your negative marks. Fourth obstacle is not having a plan. There is a saying, well planned is half done. Without a plan is like sailing in a ship without a navigator. You may or you may not reach your destination. It is always good that you plan out your revision. Like what topics I'm going to study today. In fact, it is better if you could decide this a night before, because in the morning you may miss the key time in just deciding what topics you are going to study. Also, prioritize the topics. Start with the topics which are important and you find hard, so that by the afternoon you are able to cover them. This will give you confidence, you will be in a good momentum, as well as when by the evening you have lesser energy, you are exhausted, easier topics will be easy to handle. Always plan thinking about the future. So if I am studying or revising a topic and I know I have to revise it again some days later with even lesser time, I should highlight important points or the difficult points or certain points which I always forget, like statistics, so that my revision later will become easier. The last obstacle or the fifth devil is lack of persistence. Many times we search for motivation to do something. On some days we are able to find it and we study well. But on other days we waste time just searching for motivation and miss the crucial time of studying. Probably this is how, in search of motivation, you came across this video. Please understand, having motivation is fine, but the key to success is persistence. Doing things even when you don't feel like doing it. Your small steps today will help you complete the journey of 1,000 miles. And as they say, बूंद बूंद से सागर बनता है. Small drops make an ocean. So don't keep motivation as the guiding force. Keep persistence and discipline as the main factor for success. So these were the 5 important obstacles which one may face while revision and various ways to overcome them. So guys, hit your revision in the 5th gear. Give your exams well. Do comment below in the comment section what were the important obstacles you were facing and did this video help you in any way. Also, like and subscribe our YouTube channel, which will motivate us to give more such videos in the future. Happy learning!